Breakups can leave you feeling powerless, but here's the truth. Real power comes from focusing on yourself, not chasing someone else's approval. What if I told you that by embracing Stoic principles, you can not only regain control of your emotions, but also make your ex worry about what they lost? Stick around, because this isn't about games or manipulation. It's about becoming the person they can't ignore. 1. Focus on self-improvement. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Don't dwell on the breakup. Channel that energy into becoming the best version of yourself. Hit the gym, learn a new skill, or advance in your career. When your ex sees your growth, they'll start questioning their decision. 2. Master emotional control. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. If your ex expects you to be emotional and reactive, surprise them by staying calm and composed. Emotional stability signals strength and makes them wonder why you're not affected. 3. Build a life. They'll create a life filled with experiences that make you happy. Post about your adventures, your progress, and your happiness, not to make them jealous, but to show that you're thriving. A fulfilling life is irresistible, and they'll start feeling the loss. 4th, stop contacting them. First, silence speaks louder than words. Seneca said, "It is the power of the mind to be unconquerable." By not chasing them, you regain your power. Let them wonder what's going on in your life. That curiosity can drive them to reconsider their choices. 5. Show confidence, not desperation. Desperation is unattractive. Confidence is magnetic. Work on your posture, your communication, and your mindset. Show the world, and your ex, that you don't need validation to feel worthy. 6. Cultivate new connections. The Stoics believed in focusing on the present and building relationships that uplift you. Spend time meeting new people, whether romantically or platonically. It'll show your ex that their absence doesn't define your happiness. These 6 strategies aren't about playing games. They're about reclaiming your life and your power. When you focus on growth and self-respect, your ex will notice, and they'll start worrying about losing someone who's clearly irreplaceable. But here's the key. Will you let them back in, or will you realize you deserve better? The choice is yours. 7. Embrace the power of mystery. Marcus Aurelius taught us, the opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know themselves. Keep parts of your life private. When your ex doesn't know everything you're up to, their imagination fills in the gaps. Mystery is powerful. It keeps them wondering and second-guessing their decision. 8. Turn pain into purpose. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Channel your pain into something meaningful. Start a new hobby, volunteer, or create something you're proud of. When your ex sees how you've turned heartbreak into purpose, they'll realize they underestimated you." 9. Glow up, mentally and physically. Don't just aim to bounce back. Aim for a complete glow up. This isn't just about hitting the gym. Work on your mental clarity, style, and self-care. Show the world and your ex that you're thriving in every aspect of life. 10. Forgive but don't forget. The Stoics believed in the virtue of forgiveness. Epictetus said, "Small-minded people blame others. The wise look within. Forgive them, not for their sake, but for your peace." Letting go of resentment frees you to move forward while showing maturity that speaks volumes about your character. 11th, let go of the need for revenge. Revenge only ties you to the past. The ultimate win is living your best life. Show them that their departure didn't break you. It built a stronger, wiser, and happier version of you. 12. Remember, you are the prize. The Stoics remind us to focus only on what we can control. Never chase anyone who doesn't recognize your value. The moment you truly understand that you're the prize, others, including your ex, will too. These bonus tips will amplify your progress and leave a lasting impression, not just on your ex, but on anyone who enters your life. Would you like to expand on any of these ideas? If you're ready to take full control of your life and relationships, watch this next video on how to attract love by becoming your best self. It's packed with life-changing insights you don't want to miss. Let me know if you'd like additional points or adjustments.